The Northrop F-5E Tiger II is one of the most enduring fighter jets in the world, and it has played a vital role in the Royal Thai Air Force for decades. Originally designed in the United States during the 1960s as a lightweight, cost-effective fighter, the F-5 quickly became one of the most widely exported combat aircraft in history. Thailand was among the many nations that adopted the Tiger II, operating both the single-seat F-5E and the two-seat F-5F variants. For many years, this aircraft formed the backbone of Thailand's air defense. And even today, with modern upgrades, it continues to serve with remarkable effectiveness. The F-5E Tiger II was designed to be simple, reliable, and affordable, unlike larger and more complex fighters of its time. The F-5 was built around the philosophy that a smaller nation's air force could still maintain a credible defense capability without investing in overly expensive aircraft. Its lightweight design, twin-engine configuration, and straightforward avionics made it easy to operate and maintain, while still providing impressive speed and agility. Capable of reaching Mach 1.6 and armed with cannons, missiles, and bombs. The F-5 was a true multi-role fighter for its era. For the Royal Thai Air Force, the F-5 arrived at a crucial time. Introduced in the late 1970s and early 1980s, the Tiger II provided Thailand with its first real supersonic combat capability. These aircraft were deployed across multiple squadrons and became the frontline defenders of Thai skies for many years. Pilots valued the F-5 for its maneuverability, reliability, and simplicity in training, which made it an excellent platform for developing the next generation of Thai fighter pilots. As technology advanced, however, the F-5 faced limitations compared to newer fighters like the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the Swedish JAS-39 Gripen. Rather than retiring the fleet, Thailand invested in a major modernization program. This upgrade transformed the Tiger II into what is now known as the F-5TH Super Tigris. The modernization project, developed in collaboration with Israeli defense companies, introduced advanced avionics, radar systems, electronic warfare suites, and the capability to fire modern weapons. The F-5TH Super Tigris represents a leap in capability compared to the original Tiger II, equipped with new radar that allows detection and tracking of multiple targets, a glass cockpit with multifunctional displays, and helmet-mounted sighting systems. The upgraded F-5 is now far more comparable to fourth-generation fighters. It also incorporates advanced weapons integration, including the ability to fire modern air-to-air missiles such as the Iris-T and Beyond Visual Range missiles, greatly extending its combat effectiveness. From an operational perspective, the F-5TH provides the Royal Thai Air Force with a cost-effective yet powerful fighter. While modern aircraft like the Gripen are technologically superior, they are also far more expensive to operate. The F-5TH fills a vital role as a capable multi-role aircraft that can handle both training and frontline missions without the same financial burden. This allows Thailand to maintain a balanced and ready force structure, ensuring that its air defense remains strong in terms of performance. The Tiger II still holds its own as a nimble and reliable jet. Its twin General Electric J85 engines provide strong thrust, and its lightweight frame makes it an agile dogfighter. The upgraded avionics mean that it can now participate in modern network-centric warfare. exchanging data with other aircraft and command centers in real time. This is a critical improvement, ensuring that the F-5TH can operate alongside more advanced platforms like the Gripen and upgraded F-16S. For Thailand, the F-5 is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of resilience and adaptation. Few fighter jets remain in service for nearly half a century, but the Tiger II has endured through continuous modernization. Its longevity proves the strength of its original design and the value of smart upgrades. While many countries retired their F-5 fleets long ago, Thailand has ensured that the aircraft remains relevant in the 21st century battlefield. The F-5TH Super Tigris operates today as part of Thailand's multi-role fighter fleet, complementing the Gripen and F-16 in defending national sovereignty. These aircraft continue to take part in training exercises, international cooperation missions, and readiness operations. For Thai pilots, the F-5 remains an excellent training platform, bridging the gap between basic jet training and advanced multi-role combat missions. Ultimately, the Northrop F-5E Tiger II is a story of endurance, adaptability, and strategic investment. From its roots as a simple low-cost fighter to its current role as a modernized Super Tigris, the aircraft has served the Royal Thai Air Force with distinction for more than 4 decades. Its continued presence in Thailand's skies demonstrates that, with the right upgrades, even older aircraft can remain powerful tools of national defense. The F-5 may no longer be the most advanced fighter in the region, but it remains one of the most trusted. For Thailand, it is not just a machine, but a proven warrior that has evolved with the times. The Tiger II, reborn as the F-5TH Super Tigris, stands as a testament to how innovation and modernization can extend the life of a legendary aircraft well into the future.